The Naga People Front NPF party, who had suspended 7 of its MLAs from both primary and active membership on April 16, 2019 for extending support to the ruling National Democratic Progressive Party candidate in the Lok Sabha election 2019, has now taken the matter to Guwahati High Court seeking disposal of the petition lying with Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker. With the situation continuing to be tense, the district administration of East Khasi Hills district in Meghalaya has extended curfew at several places across Shillong from 6 a.m. this morning. The NRC authority plans to start issuing the rejection slip to over 19 lakh people excluded from the National Register of Citizens (NRC) from March 20, according to the Assam government. The rejection slip will mention the reasons for excluding a person's name from the final NRC. The NSCNIM reacted strongly against the remarks made by the Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi, who is also the interlocutor of the Naga peace talks. As per reports, R.N. Ravi in a recent interview accused the group of misinterpreting the framework agreement with new and mischievous interpretations so as to delay solution because it was not prepared for a settlement. In a press statement, the NSCNIM termed Ravi's statement as immature and malicious. BJP councillor Salim Memam of Damam Nagar Palika was shot dead by unidentified persons yesterday. According to reports, 40-year-old Memam was in his automobile showroom when 4 assailants shot him 4 times. 2 bullets hit him in his chest and the 2 others hit his legs.